Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today we're just going to do something really simple. I want to show you guys this Yeti microphone right here. I've been using this microphone quite a lot actually, doing live stream and things like that. Anyway, let me turn this back over here because so just real quick, the mic is actually right in front right here. It's not on top, so I have to turn this back around. But yeah, this is just a really quick video to show you guys why I've been using this mic for live streaming and things like that. I've used this mic for voiceover, which is what I'm doing today. Is I'm just placing this on top of my desk and doing voiceover. That's all I'm doing. So I'm recording with my camera over there, all right, and then I have the mic over here. So I have the sound sync right now, and I want to show you the difference between talking to a camera over there and then doing something like a voiceover for your video. So with this one, I'm gonna go testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this is on the Yeti mic right now, and then I'm gonna switch over to that camera mic. This is the camera. This is the internal mic on the camera. So testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. All right. So there's the difference between the different sound right there. I'm gonna cut in and out of the sound as I talk through this, just to let you see the different quality of the sound. And if you're doing anything like live stream or videos and things like that, you know that it's really important that people hear you in the video. With this mic right here, the reason why it's special is that there are different little knobs back here. One of those knobs is where you turn on the gain. You're trying to get the sensitivity to go up in these mics. So if I were to stand back here or sit back a little bit more and talk and not directly into the mic, you want to turn up the gain so that it can record more. The problem here is that I have a computer next to me where the fan is constantly running, so it may pick up that. And so that's where you control this low gain right here to for it to not pick up certain things. Now that leads me into the other knob, which is this knob, this second knob down here. That knob is pretty special because this is where I was telling you earlier, the mic is actually in front here and not up top. Well, these knobs right here controls those different mic, turns them off and on. So I believe there are a few different mics around here. So I'm gonna do my little test as I'm walking through the mic. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So as you can see there, the setting that I have it on right now is that only the front picks up the voice. Everything else around it almost like shielded out, you know? And so that's the setting that I usually have it on because I don't want any other sound. My laptop right now the fan is like blowing really hard right now because I'm using Final Cut Pro. But yeah, it's blowing really hard. Hopefully you guys don't hear it because it's actually behind the mic. This is in front of the mic. This is behind the mic. And so if I were to turn the knob to, let's say, both front and back. So this is now front and back. You might hear the fan right now. And so I'm going to do a little test around the test. So again, this is the front of the mic. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm on the side right now. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm going to go to the back here. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm going to go back to the side. 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Testing on the side now. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm in the back. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. All right, there you have it. Now it's at the front of the mic, which is what I'm used to, because you see there's a little mute button right here that I can press, and it's lit up right now. When you press it and you mute it, it will blink. It will tell you that it's mute, which is really awesome about this little mic. There is also an audio port underneath here that you can plug in your mic, so you can kind of listen to it. Your computer, you can actually play music through your computer through this mic, and then you can hear it through the headphones. It's pretty awesome, pretty awesome. And then with the headphone on, you have a little knob in front right here where you can do the volume for the headphones. All right. Other than that, I think that is it. It comes with a really, really heavy bass, which I didn't like it at first, but now that I'm using it on my desk just to take it in and out, I actually do like it. I like the heavy bass on it. It feels sturdy. It feels like a tank, this thing. But yeah, I have two of these. This windscreen up on top right here, this actually doesn't come with the mic itself. It's really cheap on Amazon. If you just get, like, I think it comes with like a 2-pack. I do recommend like getting a piece of tape and then the double-sided tape, and then to keep this thing on here, because this thing knocks it off all the time. But yeah, besides that, it comes with everything you need to actually do great audio. I don't have a lot of problem with this mic at all. I really like it actually, because I don't have to worry too much about like hearing the AC noise or things like that. And as you can see, if you're sitting in front of a camera, the sound quality is not that great. And so I try to use something like this where the sound quality, the audio is much better. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it for me. I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. I've been using this mic for like a year now, and I totally love it. I actually bought 2 of them. I actually have a second one. So that's it, guys. I will see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.